For the class 8, first chapter, cube and squares. First question, find the perfect square. We can take the LCM of 2352. First, take the LCM. 2, 3, 5, 2. You can divide 2, 3, 5, 2 as an even number. 2 ones are 2, 3, 2 ones are 2, minus 1, then 5, 2 sevens are 14, then 1, 2, 2 six are 12. The answer is 1176. Next step, 1176. Then another take 1176 as a divide. Rub on the rough side and take 1176. 2 fives are 10. 2 threes are 6 minus 2 eights are 16. Cancel 7 minus 6 1. Then 6 is back to 10 and 2 eights are 16. The answer is 588. 2 588. Then again divide 588 by 2 because 8 is an even number. 588. 2 twos are 4, 1, 8. 2 nines are 18. Then 2 fours are 8. Answer is 294. Then you again divide 294 as a 2 because 4 is an even number. 2 ones are 2, 9, 2 fours are 8, 4, 2 twos are 4. Answer is 142. You can put 142 here and then again you can divide 142 divided by 2 because 2 is an even number. 2 sevens are 14, 2 ones are 2. Answer is 71. 71. 294 divided by 2 because 4 is an even number. 2 ones are 2, then 9, 2 fours are 8, 9 minus 8, 1, 2 sevens are 14. Answer is 147. You can put 147 here. Then of 7 even 7 is even number, odd number. Which number you can take then divide by the 147. You can take the division method also for explaining that what is the number 147 is divided. 7 twos are 14 and 7 ones are 7. Answer 21. 7, 21. 7 threes are 21. 3 ones are 294 divided by 2 which is can be taken as a 147. 147 divided by 7 which is can taken as a 21. 21 divided by 7 is 7 threes are 21. 3 ones are 3 and 1 ones are 1. This is an LCM of 2, 3, 5, 2. Then take and pair 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 7, 7, 3, 2 into 2, 2 into 2 and 7 into 7. 2 into 2 into 7 is the pair of 2, 3, 5, 2. Answer. 2 1 are 2, 2 0, 0, 0, 0. 2 5. We have to do 20,000 divided by 2, which is having the division method. Clear? 2 ones are 2, 2 zeros are 2 zeros are 2 zeros are and 2 zeros are. You can written as a 0 as a form of 0 because you can divide the 0, you can make the 0. Clear? Then 2 5s are 10, 2 zeros are 0, 2 zeros are 0 and 2 zeros are 0. Last, you can take the 0 as a even because last and again I can say that 0 as a 0 method. 2 5 double 0. 2 5 2 ones are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, 2 zeros are. Then you can explain as an here because I don't have any space for the written. 625 divided by 5. 5 ones are 5, 1. 5 2s are 10, 2. 5, 5, 5s are 25. 125. Then divided by 5, 225. And then divided by 5, 5 5s are 25 and 5 ones are 5. This is a division method. By the division method, you cannot divide the sum of the square method. When you explain the factorization term as a division method, you cannot divide as a square method because it's having the cubic method also. Then next, prime factorization method. We can explain as a prime factorization as a division method also. 289. 2 ones are 2, 2 4s are 8. By the division method, you can divide the 289 as a 17 because 9 is an even odd number. 17 7s are 289 and 17 ones are 17. You can take the square root of 289 is equals to under root 17 into 17. This is a division method because it's having the under root of 17. In division method, you can take a square root of 529. As in 2 place, we can take in the square root. 2 2s are 4, 1. You can plus on the 2 as in left hand side. Then again 29. You can take an 2 place of LCM. You can see that 129 in which number it can be multiplied. 3 3s are 9. Then multiply the 3 as a 43. 3 3s are 9, 4 3s are 12. 129. Then you multiply as in 3 as 129. Plus as the left hand side 46. Answer 46. 2 place decimal number. 5 is in question. Point 00 and 00. It is for having the 2 place decimal number. First you can see that 5 is an odd number. It not multiply by the again and again. For example, 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9. 9 is a greater than 5. Then you can take the 0 as a first letter. 0 as a first letter. Then 2 2s are 4. 5 minus 4, 1. Then you can again 0 and 0 can be as a written in the middle form. Point because it's having the point. Then plus the 2 and 2, 4. Then you can take as a 2 2s are 4 because it's having the 0 and 0 is an even number. 2 and 2 4, 84 because 42 multiplied by 2. 42 multiplied by 2. 2 2s are 4 and 4 2s are 8. 84. 100 minus 84, 16. Then you can written as a 0 in the middle form. Minus 4 plus as in 2, that is 4. Then you can take 4 4 3 as an even number because 3 is an odd number and 16 is an even number. Then you can see as a last factor also an even number. You can take as in 0 as 1329 divided by 3. 443 divided by into 3. 3 3s are 9, 4 3s are 12. Carry 1, 4 3s are 12 and 13. 1329. You can minus as a 1329 as 16 form. 271. 1600 minus 1329. 10, 9, 5. 10 minus 9, 1. 9 minus 2, 7. And 5 minus 3, 2. And 1 minus 1, 0. 271 is an answer of 2 place decimal 5. I am already give the PDF of this chapter, and this was an explanation of the chapter squares and cube for the class 8. If any doubt, you can ask me again for the explanation. Thank you.